Welcome to the AlertOps mobile app overview video. In this video, we'll be touring the AlertOps mobile app to give you an idea of how you can use it for incident response. Let's get started. What you see now is the AlertOps main menu. We'll take a look at each one of the key features of each of these modules within the application. Let's get started with Open Alerts. This is the Open Alert screen. You can see all open alerts within your environment via three views. First, under Mine, you can see the alerts specifically sent or assigned to you. Under Group, you can see the alerts that have been sent to any group that you are a part of. And then, with the proper credentials, under All, you can see any alerts that have been sent out within your AlertOps environment as a whole. When we click into a particular alert, we'll see that we can see any notification message that has been sent across, along with the priority and status of the alert. If we flick the recipient switch, we can see any individuals that have been notified, as well as what channel of communication upon which they were notified and the delivery status of that message. At the bottom, we have various response actions, such as the ability to assign, close, escalate, reply to a message, and add additional responders in the case that you would need to at both the user and group levels. At the top right-hand side, we have our Outbound Actions menu. Outbound actions in AlertOps are manually triggered API calls to facilitate automations on external systems. In this case, I have an outbound action to create an incident within ServiceNow. So if I deem that an alert that has come in needs to have a corresponding incident ticket created, I can very well do that with the tap of a button directly from my mobile app. Next, we can take a look at our closed alerts view. Our closed alerts view, as you see here, is fairly similar to our open alerts view. The only difference is when we click into a particular alert, we can see all messages and recipients. However, we do not have the menus for response actions on the bottom or the menu for outbound actions on the top right-hand side. Let's move on. Next, let's take a look at manual alerting. We can select Create Alert, and just like the web app, the mobile app features the ability to create manual alerts. When we click into Create Alert within the application, this will bring us to a list of all escalation rules that are configured for manual alerting within your AlertOps environment. Here, we can select an escalation rule and format our alert. We can customize the message, subject, and recipients. Alternatively, if you have topics configured within your environment, you can drop down and select the appropriate topic, which will pre-populate the message text as subject text along with the associated recipients. Now we are ready to go ahead and send our alert, and now our alert has been created. Let's move on to scheduling. Within AlertOps mobile app, you can view your own schedules as well as any schedules that of groups you are involved with, both at the daily level along with at the weekly level. Another feature of AlertOps mobile app in terms of scheduling is the ability to add out-of-office functionality. When you are in your own view, you can select OOF from the top right-hand portion of the screen, and you can select Add. Here, you will configure your period for your out of office, along with the covering individuals for any shifts you are a part of. In the case that you would only want one person to cover all of your shifts, that is very well possible. In the case that you have multiple groups, you can go ahead and select a different individual to cover every shift that you would like to have covered. Let's move on. The final item we'll take a look at is the AlertOps settings. Within settings, you have the ability to modify your notification tone to one of 7 pre-configured or AlertOps notification sounds. Thank you for taking the time to check out the AlertOps mobile app. For more videos, check out our online knowledge base or YouTube. Thank you.